As these tools become available, start using them because we're in such a great moment where technology is moving like this, right? It's moving like this hockey stick. But the rest of the world is like still kind of at where they're at.
Welcome back to Making Money with AI, and today we're talking about Sora. Now, Sora just came out about a week ago with this mind-boggling quality video, AI generated video that will blow your mind, right? And James and I, we've been working on things, and we just saw these brand new videos coming out with Sora, and this is top of the line. This is absolutely the best AI generated video you can see. So let me share the screen and show you this. It says new Sora videos just dropped on TikTok by the OpenAI team, and people are going crazy. Nothing in this video is real. Look at this, a Labrador hacker, and look how realistic this is.
I mean, you would think that that was a real dog, that someone trained to do that, or there's someone, they've got some peanut butter on the screen and this dog's looking at it. But I mean, when you showed me this video, even though you told me this is from Sora, I thought I have not gotten to the point where I'm like, these videos look real. This
Yeah.
video looks real to me. It is unreal.
Even down to like the dog reacting with blinking to the lights and things like that. That's pretty amazing, right? That AI can do this. Think about this, with just a prompt, you're going to be able to make these videos as soon as this thing comes out. And as soon as it does, look at this one. Point of view of an ant. This is
And
AI generated, guys.
from a prompt. So you're saying, hey, show me some ants and have the camera behind it following it. This is movie quality. And Dave and I have been talking about this for months now, if you've been following us on this channel, that this was coming. We're not Nostradamus, but we saw this coming. And these videos are like a minute long. Very soon you're gonna be able to do this for you're gonna be able to do this for a full-length feature movie. It's coming. So you need to start preparing your mind for this. And how are you going to make money off of this?
Right.
When you have this power in front of you and you can make these videos, start thinking of how you can monetize this. How can you make commercials for local businesses that have no idea that these things exist? How can you start to
Right.
make video clips that you could sell? All these different things are now going to be available to you.
Imagine making this for a local pizza place, right? The Leaning Tower of Pizza. I mean, I looked at that, I thought, oh, that's silly. It doesn't look real. But heck, hey, if you wanted, you could make a commercial for a local business like that. Here's one. The prompt is a low quality, visually disappointing Super Bowl commercial. I think that's a spoof on Kanye's commercial that he did just with his phone in a dark car. But here's what it did: buy wings, right? And then here's one where it's got Adventure Puppies, cinematic trailer for a group of adventurous puppies exploring ruins in the sky in slow
That's
motion.
incredible. All from a prompt, all from just a simple text prompt.
Can you
So
imagine, like, as this is already amazing, but as it continues to get even more amazing, you'll be able to prompt an entire story. You'll be able to give it a whole story and then have it just generate the story for you. Just like James and I have been talking about pretty much since the inception of this channel, right, James? We've been talking about how
yeah.
you'll be able to ask for a movie, a very personalized movie, just the way you want it.
But it's so amazing that we see this coming and we can make these predictions and then they happen. That's how crazy AI is coming. That's how crazy it's moving. That we can say, look, you're going to be able to make full featured movies from a text prompt. If you watched this channel 6 months ago, you might have said that was crazy. Now you're starting to see it. You're seeing these building blocks happening in real time. You're like, what? You know what? James and Dave were right. So keep listening to us. Keep putting your mind focusing about this. And when as these tools become available, start using them because we're in such a great moment where technology is moving like this, right? It's moving like this hockey stick. But the rest of the world is like still kind of at where they're at. The rest of the world
Yep.
still doesn't even know ChatGPT exists.
Right.
That's the truth. So we're at a special time now where as these things are moving so quickly, we're going to be able to use this, what comes off as like a superpower to most people. And it's like, oh, you want a commercial? Well, see, there's all these businesses that are made. Let's just say with commercials, right? You want a commercial to be done? Okay, we've got to hire actors. We've got to get this shooting done. All right, you want a commercial for a local business? That'll be $10,000, please. You can make a better commercial very soon. Now we're talking 30-second clips, right? These things exist right now. We're looking at 1 minute clips, 30 seconds clips. You can make that 10,000 commercial better and charge someone $1,000. What do you
Yep.
want? I can have it to you next week. You can actually have it to them 30 seconds from now.
Today.
Yeah, but I'll have it to you next week. There are going to be companies and businesses because they don't understand the technology, they don't know what's behind it. They're like, yeah, or here it is. Here's your commercial. Would you
Right.
like to use it? Okay, then pay a licensing fee. All right, you're already showing them with it, and a local pizza place is gonna be like, wow,
They're gonna be
look
blown
at this
away.
commercial that you just made for me, and it talks about my pizza place. It shows my picture. Oh my gosh, and you're only charging $500? Yeah. Oh,
Sold.
it took you 30 seconds to make the dang thing.
Right.
But we're talking next level stuff where we're like, you can make future films. I don't know. Sometimes I think that might be pie in the sky to people. It's like when we say you can make feature length, movie quality, $100 million films, that is coming. But maybe just take it back and say, okay, we can make these things now or soon to be when Sora is available to each and every one of us. Yeah, look at it from commercials. That right there could make you $1 million if you took
Right.
action.
Yeah, and I could already see James, you and I creating a course all about how to use Sora. As soon as Sora becomes, publicly available, because right now it's in beta, but as soon as it becomes publicly available, we make a course about this and show the many different ways you can make money with Sora. Like the creative aspect is amazing, right? You can create, point of view of ants walking on leaves. That's amazing. But now how can you monetize that? Because that's what we're all about on this channel is making money with AI. So we're going to be showing you how to do that. So you want to be sure that you're subscribed to our free newsletter. The link will be in the description down below. But that free newsletter is your ticket to understanding and seeing all the latest stuff that's coming out as soon as it comes out. And when we create courses about it, let us know in the comments down below. Would you like to see a course about how you could monetize Sora and other AI image generating and video generating tools like this? We've got so many ideas and so many ways that you could monetize it. We could put it into a course. So let us know about that. But for sure, be sure to sign up for our free AI newsletter at the link in the description down below. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.